So that was one round.
All right. That's it. Balcony. Student tendency again. Honor, courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, courage, community. Balcony.
One round.
IMGB.
300 kicks on.
All right, so what we're going to do here, just for this short little class, since there's no one really on, we're just going to record one anyway. We're going to make it kind of short. We're just going to do a quick little stretch and warm up, and then we're going to kind of run through the form and call it a day. All right, so the first one, warm up today is called ice skater. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one foot, you're going to step it out to the side, and then the other foot's going to come back behind like so. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other leg. So step across, step behind. Now we also have to use a little bit of an arm motion with this. So as you step across, your arms swing the same direction. Then we go this way. You can do it with open hands, closed hands, doesn't really matter. And then we get this idea. Okay, so you can start out nice and easy, and then eventually you can jump into it like so. So we do that for about a minute or so, and we just get ourselves moving. All right. So we do that for a few minutes. You guys can do that on your own. Now from here, moving on, let's go ahead and just get a quick little stretch in. The arms go forward. And backwards. Coming across. Up and down.
You know, that I've noticed front stance is one of the hardest stances to actually get down because of the fact of distance. You know,
hands on your side. You're just going to do circles.
Whether it's too high, too short this way, long this way. So finding that comfortable spot is really challenging.
Out of direction.
I have to say, both of you have some of the best front stances I've seen in a while, especially from the beginner. So,
Yeah, all right, so feet apart, and what I want you guys to do, we're going to take our toes, we're going to turn them in towards each other to get a little bit more of a stretch. Keep the legs straight, grabbing our arms for weight, and lean down. Now from here, we're just going to go ahead and get into our Spider-Man stretch.
I'll quit if I don't want you to tell me what the definition of what I'm getting. Keyshawn, you want to try it out?
All right, have a seat, putting the feet wise, hands behind the head, side to side.
Say how much you got here. You want to say the whole thing? Rupa, do you know any of it? No? All right, so go ahead, Keyshawn, then, yeah.
And butterfly.
Okay. All right, very good. That's about half of it. That's awesome. Do you know where it originated? See the dynasty? Good. You know what century? Good, good, good. And then.
All right, standing up.
After the 29 moves, refer to the 29 moves.
All right, guys, so from here, what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of do a quick little run through of our form in its entirety. And I'm going to go through the different stopping points for each belt group. Okay? So the first one, Jimmy stance, feet toes together, twin arcs low. Left hand on the top.
By the way,
so from here, now I'm going to take my left foot, I'm going to step out to a sitting stance. Palm heel strike in the middle. We're hitting the solar plexus area. A lot of times we want to take our palm heel out here, put it down in the middle, bend the knees. Follow it up by 2 punches in the same section. Chamber on our side. Moving our foot into a back stance position. Square block.
last cycle too. But the,
Reaching out.
the newborn,
Upset punch.
version that, gonna do the cycle,
Yeah. Push.
and then,
Extend to a fixed stance. Punch.
The other option is still having that online option.
Chambers.
Online option is actually what
Heels come together. Downward knife
I
hand.
mean by that is instead of recording video,
Half step through.
what you're gonna do,
And
what you're gonna
punch.
do is we're gonna have, you know.
Let's get back to here. So we're not going that direction. Up here, now we're gonna turn forward. Low block.
And they keep trying to get.
Good front stance here. Step forward. Punch. Again, another front stance. Hand comes up to the side. Pull forward, ready stance. This arm should be pulled back kind of tight.
And then I'll be sitting here like.
Front leg. Side kick.
Alright, excellent, perfect.
Put it down in a back stance with a knife hand strike. Most of the strikes and hand techniques in this form are all red level. So try to do that as you go through.
So, either way
Step and
works.
punch.
Either way off,
Step and punch and yell. Yeah. Scoot back a little.
you want to
Now from here, now we're gonna turn. So my hands are gonna chamber across like so. Left foot brings me around. Double knife hand lock. Step through. Spear hand.
And,
Now looking over my other shoulder, my front leg is now going to turn me
any questions, bro?
to a double knife hand block the other direction. So back to stand.
We're gonna go into the
Now two number 2 round kicks. 1, 2.
Go.
Land to the double knife hand block. Now that is the end of the intermediate section.
Okay. Alright, so today's the
Of
first
this
time you're
form.
doing,
Okay, right there.
okay.
Now we get into the third section. So I'm going to come a little bit closer. Now we're going to turn that way, and as we do, we're going to turn into a front stance, low block,
Either a door,
shift,
or a wall.
into a fixed stance, reverse punch.
But
Then do it again 2 more times.
Alright,
Punch.
what you're gonna do is you're gonna find a volleyball.
Now from there, we're going to take our front foot and shift into a front stance,
Here,
X block low.
wall, and then if you want to challenge it,
Arms come up to chamber,
okay, we're gonna do
step
it.
through into a back stance facing the front, but your head and your technique will go towards the back. Elbow,
1 minute.
left arm up in an inner forearm block, right arm down in a low block. Lifting up your left foot, turn to your left, stick your feet together, and exchange them twice.
And
Low block, inner forearm block, low block, inner forearm block. Now stepping with your left foot into a back stance double knife hand block, and step with your right foot into a back stance double knife hand block to finish. And that is the end of the advanced and black belt version of the form. All right. So something that you can try, this is something that we did earlier with the other kids, is try to do your form from a different angle, a different direction. So what I told them is to close your eyes and spin in a couple circles, and then whichever direction you face, try doing your form that way. Because we get in the habit a lot of times of going through our form and we know that, oh, this wall over here, I have to turn, and that's where this kick goes. Or I have to face forward for this one. We want to get away from that somewhat and rely more on our muscle memory to do our techniques. That's where the true artistry comes in, being able to do things without really thinking about it.
Alright.
Okay, so give that a try. I'll do it myself, just one time.
Alright, attack the form.
Turn, close my eyes a couple times, stop.
Alright, so we're
All right, so I face this direction, so this is where I'm going to do it.
Have an awesome rest
Give
of
it a
the
try.
day, and I will see you all next time. Alright, thanks, y'all.
Just realized I ended up the wrong direction. I should have been facing this way. That's all right. It's all right. So a couple things just to kind of give you guys a way to practice at home, try it out. Until then, I'll see you next time on the mat. Bye.